Hi, my little library friends. Today, our Tumblebook story time is all about colors. What's your favorite color? Yeah, mine is green, and I like purple too, and sometimes I like orange. Sometimes my favorites change, and that's okay. So the story that you're going to listen to today on Tumblebooks is called Red is Best. So the next screen that you see will have the instructions for the adult who's with you. You listen to the story and then you come back to me and I'll show you a nice simple little craft you can do making a rainbow. Enjoy the story. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the story. So the take and make kits that I will have for you will have everything that you need, except for you will need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Okay? So one of the things in your kit will be some strips of colored paper, the colors that are in the rainbow. And you'll notice they're shorter and they get longer and longer. You will staple them at the top all together. And then you're going to take all the shorter pieces and put them together so they match up on the end like so, and it makes a rainbow. Oh, the other thing you're going to need is a stapler, and you're going to staple those together, and there you have your rainbow. All right, now I'm going to show you what to do on your paper. So I'm going to tip the camera down. You're going to have a piece of colored paper, and you're going to glue your rainbow someplace near the top. Now, it's a little tricky, but all you need to do is run your glue stick over the top of all these strips of paper, and then you can turn it over and push it down, and it should stay once it's dry. Oop, there we go. It should stay on there. Then you're going to take the cotton balls that are provided, and you're going to stretch them all out, and you're going to make clouds. So you're going to glue a spot for a cloud there. You can put your clouds wherever you want. I'm going to put one at the end of the rainbow here. And I'll put one over here at the end of this rainbow. Right, and you can put as many clouds as you want. You're going to get Q-tips. We're going to cut the ends off the Q-tips. Oops, they kind of fly away. And they look like little teardrop, raindrop kind of shapes. So what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on your paper, and you're going to put your little Q-tip ends on the glue. And you want these coming out of the clouds because you want it. It looks like rain. All right? And you do that with all the clouds. Okay? And it looks like rain coming down because when we see a rainbow, usually it's after it rains. All right? So your picture, again, can look like this. All right? So if you want a kit to make your own rainbow picture, make sure that you come and see me, and I'll give you all the supplies you need. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the color story time and the book that was on Tumblebooks today. You have a good day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.